In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your location in Zoom. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the Zoom web portal to update the location that appears on your profile, which can help colleagues and clients quickly understand where you're based and coordinate across time zones more easily. Start on the Zoom website and make sure you're signed into your account. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click My Account. This opens your account home, where you can manage all your personal settings. If you're in the desktop app and don't see the same options, switch to the web portal in your browser. That's where these profile controls live. Next, go to Profile. You'll find it in the navigation panel on the left. The profile page is where Zoom stores your basic details, like your display name, photo, and other personal information that shows up when you're in meetings or when people view your contact card. On the profile page, find your name near the top and click the Edit button beside it. This puts your profile fields into an editable mode so you can make changes safely without affecting anything else on your account. If the Edit option isn't clickable, you might be in a managed account where certain fields are controlled by an administrator. In that case, you can still proceed with the rest of the steps if the location field is available to you. Now type your location in the location field. A clear, professional format works best. Something like city and country, or city and state if you're in the United States. For example, you could enter Toronto, Canada, or Austin, Texas. Keep it concise, avoid street addresses for privacy, and use standard spelling so others can quickly recognize your region. This field is mainly for context. It doesn't change your time zone or calendar settings, so feel free to keep it simple and readable. When you're happy with what you've entered, click Save. Your changes are applied immediately. To confirm it worked, look back at your profile. You should see your new location displayed under your name. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page. If you still don't see it, double-check that you're editing from the web portal and that no admin restrictions are in place. That's all there is to it. By updating your location, you make it easier for people to understand where you're working from, set expectations around response times, and coordinate schedules more smoothly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more informative Zoom profile.